Hello my friend, this is Earth vs Mankind YouTube channel. A torrential rainstorm has struck Jazan, Saudi Arabia, causing widespread flooding, the burn of once-sturdy palm trees, and the gathering of debris. Accompanying the deluge are thunderous roars and brilliant flashes of lightning. The arid landscape of Saudi Arabia's desert has been transformed into a temporary sea. A remarkable phenomenon brought about the unrelenting rainfall. Forecasters predict that this severe weather will persist through Friday. At the end of this video, don't forget to subscribe for more short weather news.